So in terms of Dr. Baker's analysis of this case, how did the heart and drugs contribute to the cause of death?
They were significant, or they contributed to Mr. Floyd having a sudden cardiac arrest, in my opinion. That's how I would read it.
Okay. So I'm going to take this down. If we could unpublish, sorry. Doctor, did you prepare a PowerPoint presentation to walk through your opinions in this case?
Yes.
Judge, I've identified this as demonstrative exhibit 1098, and I'd move to publish.
Any objection to 1098 for demonstrative purposes only? All right, it is received for that purpose alone.
So before we begin, Doctor, can you summarize briefly what your opinions are in this case?
Yes. So in my opinion, Mr. Floyd had a sudden cardiac arrhythmia due to his atherosclerotic and hypertensive heart disease, or you can write that down multiple different ways, during his restraint and subdual by the police, or restraint by the police. And then his significant contributory conditions would be, since I've already put the heart disease in part 1, he would have the toxicology, the fentanyl and methamphetamine. There is exposure to a vehicle exhaust, so potentially carbon monoxide poisoning, or at least an effect from increased carbon monoxide in his bloodstream, and paraganglionoma, or the other natural disease process that he has. So all of those combined to cause Mr. Floyd's death.
All right. So let's walk through each of these, if we could. Starting with the opinions of Dr. Baker as far as the cardiopulmonary arrest. Before we do that, if we could publish the exhibit, Your Honor. Can you just describe what this is and why it's relevant to this case?
So this is a document that is produced as a guide for medical examiners to use when certifying the death, and specifically the manner of death.
What is the manner of death?
So the manner of death is, how did the cause of death come about? And you have 5 different choices that you can check off or write down on a death certificate as to the manner of death.
Now, does this document specifically address asphyxial deaths, positional asphyxia deaths? It
addresses all sorts of manner of death, and again, it's a guideline put out there to assist medical examiners. And unfortunately, not every case cleanly fits into one particular category or meets the criteria for the guidelines.